The Maryland governor just announced $13.4 million to support affordable housing projects that will help preserve affordable rental housing in Maryland. $6.5 million is going to support a new construction of 72 age-restricted community units in Hanover of Anne Arundel County. $3.4 million is allocated to a new construction of another age-restricted apartment mid-rise community in Edgewood, Hartford County, for 68 units. $3.5 million is earmarked for another new construction of age-restricted community units. 84 are planned in Dundalk, Baltimore County. Under the Rental Works program of the Department of Housing and Community Development, another $20 million is set to support other capital grants, including those in Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, Cecil, Frederick, Howard, Montgomery, Prince George's, and in Baltimore City. While this is a good start to help our senior citizens live in housing that is affordable, this won't fix the larger problem at hand or for those who are not senior citizens. We have a serious shortage of affordable rentals in Maryland, and rural areas like Dorchester and Caroline counties have a deficit of affordable rental housing, and no funds are set up to help with any projects on the shore. Most of the aging population residing in these rural counties are living in homes that are unsafe or unfit. With few options, these residents remain trapped by higher rents and little choice.